Welcome back, unicorns, to another video. And today's video is another Makeup Monday video. So if you want to see me create this look and hear the theme, stay tuned. So if you're new here, every Monday I do a collab called #makeupmonday on Instagram, and I do it here to let you know how I created it. This week's theme was everything purple, so we had to do everything purple. So I did a purple eye look, I did purple lips, and that's all I did for this look. And hope y'all do enjoy seeing the process of me creating this eye look and the full makeup look. Let me know your thoughts when you do finish the video. I will link the ladies down below that's in this collab. If you want to go check them out, it'll be their Instagram link, so please go follow their Instagram, show their picture some love, and tell them I sent you if you're new to them. They would really appreciate that. And we do this every Monday. We have a blast doing it, and I like to go do the video here to let you know how I created it, and hope y'all do enjoy the process of the video. Now, if you're new here, it's all past my videos. There is a little bit of different setup and quality. Hopefully it's okay. I'm using natural lighting. I haven't done natural lighting in a while now, so hopefully it's okay and looks okay, but I will try my best to kind of fix it to make it look a lot better. But hopefully I do still enjoy it. Share in the comments and all that stuff. I really would appreciate that. And yeah, so I think that's it for today. I will link all the makeup I use down below. They're just links to get there, no affiliate links or anything. If I do have a affiliate link, it'll be in the affiliate link section, so please go check that out and show it some love. All my affiliate links will go right back to my channel for money wise, because I do get small commission from all the links that I do link. There is some links that have codes to save you some money on your order, and then some are just referral links that I don't get nothing from. So I have all types of links for y'all, so I hope y'all do use those at checkout. And I like to always remind y'all about the links, just in case you want to know, but you don't have to use them. I also have an Amazon storefront as well as a Walmart storefront. If you want to go check those out as well, you can. I really would appreciate it, because it will really help out the channel, because I am a baby channel. So please do share if you do use them or not. So continue watching this video, and I'll be back at the end of the video to do the outro. So if you got this far in the video and enjoyed it so far, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and comment down below if you love like a monochromatic eyeshadow look. That's all the same color. Let me know your thoughts. What is your favorite color to use? Mine's usually pink, but let me know what your favorite color is to be shot in the next video upload on my channel. If you want to see what shot in the previous video and been under my channel, check out the channel's checkout section and show them some love. They really appreciate it. And unicorns, if you do want to be shouted out, please answer that question, or just say you watched it full and you'll also be shot in the next video also upload on my channel. So this is the final look. Let me know what you think down below of this purple eye look and lip look. Let me know your thoughts, and I really would like to read your comments. So that was it for today's video. Hope you do enjoy this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share in the comments your thoughts. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe to our unicorn family. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I upload. And unicorns, always be yourself. Bye.